With Shiba Inu Coin dipping down to around 6,000, 6,100 points per coin, it is very important not to buy the dip just yet. You always want to look for support and resistance levels before you go ahead and pull the trigger, especially when a stock is falling. Why? If you buy it as it's falling, it's likely to continue falling. The same thing goes for cryptocurrencies. So if you buy it as it's falling, it's like they say, catching a falling knife. It can cut you on the way down. You want to see where it's going to bounce, and you want to buy it on that bounce, so not only that once you get in, you're already making money and it's moving higher, but you just allow yourself to get in at potentially one of the lowest points possible. So that is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video for Shiba Inu Coin, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, it is not too late to get into Shiba Inu. If you have not yet done so, use the link in the description below for Webull. They make it super simple to buy Shiba Inu Coin, and if you do so, you make a $100 deposit, you get 2 free stocks. You buy at least $1 worth of any crypto, you get $5 worth of free Shiba Inu Coin. But you want to make sure you do that before November 10th. Otherwise, that special offer may no longer be around. And then Binance, if you don't live in the United States, you can use the international Binance link down in the description below. The reward there is percentage based. So the more you buy, the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But let's talk about this. Is it time to buy? Because I see a lot of people out there, they're getting antsy. It's dipping down. They want to add to their portfolios. Is it time to do so? Guys, we can take a look at the graph, and if you pull it out, and you pull it out to a 1-hour graph, you can see that we've had several attempts, several tests of the 6,200 point per coin support on Shiba Inu Coin. That says that we have a very strong level of support at 6,200 points per coin. But Clay, while you're making this video, who the heck knows what it's going to be by the time this video uploads, right? As you're making this video, it's trading around 6,061. Are we breaking down below that? We very well could be. So we need to take this and we need to make a decision on what we're going to do, because we do not want to buy Shiba Inu Coin as it falls through a level of support, because it is very likely, not guaranteed, but very likely to continue lower before it tests another level of support and potentially bounces off of it. So how do we find these levels of support? What are you talking about? How far could it possibly fall? If you're on that same 1-hour chart, you just scroll back a little bit. I don't have the graph on here. Whatever, you guys can do it. So if you scroll back a little bit, you can see that we had one wick go down and touch 5,800 points per coin and then bounce off and move higher. That is another level of support. So 5,800 points per coin on Shiba Inu, but that is it's not a very strong level of support. It's a very weak level of support because we had one wick go down and touch that. The candle fell down and it came right back up after bouncing off, and therefore Shiba Inu Coin got some support at that 5,800 point level. And that may be what we tested a minute ago when we dropped down to about 5,900 points per coin. But what is below that? That's the kind of level we have to be careful of if we fall down and break through 6,000 points per coin. So that's what we need to talk about, but that's why it's very important. A lot of people out there ready to add at 5,900, 6,000, even though we had support at 6,100 to 62 and we broke it. It's very important to watch these levels so that you try to time the entry as well as possible. Nothing is perfect, but you need to at least do a little technical analysis before you go and add to your Shiba Inu Coin position. Unless, of course, it doesn't bother you if it falls a little bit and you plan on holding long term. So if we fall below that 5,800 point per coin level, you're talking about 5,000 points per coin. I know it sounds like a drastic drop. Are we going to see 5,000 again? Nobody can guarantee what we see, but at least if you do the technical analysis, you know the support levels that are on the chart. These are the levels, guys. This is not something that's fundamentally intertwined with Shiba Inu Coin. It's not something that says anything about supply or demand. It is simply looking at where traders not holders, not investors, but where traders are getting into Shiba and where traders are getting out of Shiba. So if we look at these levels, it's strictly on a chart. Has nothing to do with fundamentals, has nothing to do with news, has nothing to do with anything other than trader sentiment and traders' emotions getting in and out of a position. So if Shiba drops below 5,800 points per coin, we could very well see a decline all the way back down to 5,000 points per coin. I can't guarantee anything, right? But I do want to stress caution. Because we ran up so fast, we could see a little bit of decline. That is not the case for panic. It doesn't mean that anybody should be worried about Shiba falling out of the sky or anything. Absolutely not, okay? I strongly believe, and I don't know. I have no problem like taking questions. If you guys have been in one of the live streams, I have no problem taking questions all day. I have no problem talking to bears that think Shiba Inu Coin is some sort of a pump and dump. No problem with any of that. Bring it on, actually. If you guys want to hang out in the live stream tomorrow and ask any questions for that matter, please do so. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern and then 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. So with that being said, though, if we do pull back, it is okay. Why? There's a lot of people out there that still think that Shiba Inu Coin is extremely expensive. It's 6,000 points per coin. Now, they might think it's still expensive at 5,000 points per coin. But as time moves on and more people become comfortable with these prices, once we start to think, oh my gosh, 5,000 is cheap. Oh my gosh, 6,000 for a SHIB is cheap. Oh my goodness, 2,000 or 20,000 for a Shiba is cheap. Do you see what I'm saying here? People are more willing to buy when they see it as a buying opportunity, when they see it as being cheap. So if we do pull back a little bit, it could just add to the level of excitement again, and then you guys all know what happens. When more people are excited, more people buy. When more people buy, the price rises. When the price rises, more people get excited. It's an endless cycle. Okay, until that price just starts to fall off a little bit. And then we have to do it all over again. We could absolutely be gearing up for another round up. We just have to find out where it bottoms out at, where it finds that support, and where people are willing to buy Shiba Inu Coin long term. That is very important, especially if we expect to sustain these gains and sustain these moves to the upside. It is crucial, guys. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Where do you think we're going, and is it time to buy the dip right now? Do some technical analysis and share it with all of us in the comments below. And look, if you're brand new to trading, you don't have any Shiba yet, make sure to use the link in the description for We Will Sign Up. $100 deposit gets you 2 free stocks. $1 trade in crypto gets you at least $5 in free Shiba Inu Coin. If you do not live inside the United States, use the link in the description below for Binance. The reward there is percentage based. So the more you buy, the more you earn. If this button is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. If you want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, it is ClayBro883. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.